welcome to Empowered Art Therapy at Kindred Art Space. I'm Kara Knight, art therapist and founder of Empowered Art Therapy and Kindred Art Space. And today I'd like to invite you through an art therapy process that I've recently done for myself, for my own self-care. And as you can see, it's just scribble, really. There's no masterpiece in here, but that's what art therapy is. It's about the process of making, and I quite often invite my clients to close their eyes and use their non-dominant hand. And that's exactly what I did to create this piece. Originally, it was just this rusty brown cross mark through the center there. And I did this, eyes closed, non-dominant hand, and I followed my breathing. And I followed into how I was experiencing within, feeling stuck, feeling at the crossroads of my life. And how this process worked for me, and how it can work for you too, is it helps put our analytical mind on hold. Our logical mind that tries to come up with all the what ifs and the hows, and then we have our other way of knowing, our embodied, the wisdom that our body holds, and that's what art therapy connects in with. So call it your gut instinct, your intuition. We do all have other ways of knowing, and the expressive arts is what can help us connect with that. So that's what I did. I connected with that embodied wisdom. And in doing so, after I completed this art making, I stepped out of the role of art maker and into the role of art observer. And I just observed and jotted down some key words of what I noticed about the art making, the placement, the colors used, as I looked at it from different perspectives. And then I just added in some other colors, materials, to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing for me. And I then added in these greens, yellows, blues around the edges there. And again, staying with the art making, I just noted for myself what my lived experience was, and what this art making might remind me of, what the crossroads might remind me of, and what these other green pathways and brightly coloured pathways might remind me of as well. And further to that, I felt compelled to bring those two edges together. And as I did so, I had this real clear pathway going through there. And to cut a long story short, that helped remind me of other ways that I could go around this issue, this crossroads experience that I was grappling with. And it helped me make a decision in that. So that's just a brief example of how art therapy can help you, can benefit you, whether you're grappling with anxiety, depression, or post-traumatic stress syndrome, or other mental health concerns, as that's what I specialise in, working with people that have experienced that and are experiencing those things, to help them find a way through, to help them just make a meaning sometimes of their experiences as well. But I use a trauma-informed and strength-based lens to do so. So this is just one of many processes that I'd like to share with you in these videos. And next time I'd like to explain a little bit more about this curious imagery, this painting behind me here, which I created when I first developed my private practice in art therapy way back in 2008. So thank you for joining with me today, and I look forward to seeing you and connecting with you in the next video.